Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to change phone number on Melbet. So let's get started. For that, let's get into Melbet app. Now we need to click on this menu icon over here in the bottom right and click on the settings icon on the top right. Now we need to click on this profile icon over here on the top right. After that, we get into personal profile details and we can see our phone number here. Simply click on change and we need to enter our new phone number here. Once you are done writing your phone number, simply click on send code. After which we get a confirmation code in our old phone number. Once we verify it, we can finally click on change to change the phone number to new one. After which we get the verification in our new phone number and the phone number is finally changed. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.